How to change any character voice in Character AI. Now here, let's test this AI voice for you to listen to the first voice. Now here, click on this play to test the voice here.
Have you tried the new Domino's pizza menu?
Now let's test the upper one also.
I just found the cutest cat video. You gotta see this.
You have heard the voice now. Now to change it, what you do is to click on this three line icon on the top side here. Now go ahead and click on here, voice here. You can see it is in default here. And click on it like this. Now here in discover, here you will find many voices as you like here. Now let me use this African lady here.
Welcome. I'm your companion through the mystical forest and magical realm.
Now select it by clicking select here. You have selected. Now let's test if this character will use that voice. Now click on this play here.
OMG, have you tried the new Domino's pizza menu?
As you can see, can you hear it? You can hear the voice. So you can also create your own voice and then use it like this by going back here again, clicking on this three line icon here on the top side here. Now click on voice again. Now here click on your voice here. Here you can create your voice by clicking on this create here. Then click on agree and continue. Upload the voice you want to use here by clicking on this upload here. Make sure it is 10 to 5 minutes long here, long clip here. You can see the description. I already have a voice. Let me go back. Now here, let me click on your voice here. Now let me select my own voice here by clicking on it. Click on select here. Now let me know if it can use the voice here. OMG, have you tried the new Domino's pizza menu? As you can see, we see have changed the voice. Now to use a voice in Character AI, make sure this voice toggle is on like this. Make sure it's on. This is how to do it. If you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. And if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Now check out the playlist in order to know how to use Character AI based on tutorials. See you there and have a great day. Peace.